We've never had a home, and I want to be able for my kids to have that experience, so when they bring their kids to my house, my grandkids, they're able to say, this is where I grew up, this is a piece of me. So I'm excited to offer that to my children.
When I first found out, when I first got the phone call, I was at work and I literally was astonished, shocked, and it was a blessing. I was jumping up and down and I was like, oh my gosh, I finally could have an opportunity. I could have the American dream that everyone is, everyday struggles. And like I said before, it's a dream come true, and it's just, in all honesty, a blessing for my children, most importantly.
My first time going to youth councils, I feel like God spoke to me through friendships, because He brought new friends to me, friends that I did not expect to have going there. I thought I was going to be alone, and God had brought me more friends that want to be closer with God too. So it's like another connection that everybody came in together, and we all praised God together. And I feel like that's how God spoke to me.
I feel sensational. There it is, you heard that click? There we go. There she blows. After the death of my wife, I lost my wife right before Christmas. That kind of broke me a little bit. So I came on back home. Orlando is my home. And I came on back home and decided to check back into the Salvation Army to get up. Because I had a head full of cobwebs, and I just needed to clear my head. So the 6-month program there it did amazing for me. I worked the program like I was supposed to. And, suffering from alcoholism, it just helped me so much. And I do appreciate what they did for me and how they stood by me. I would totally recommend the Salvation Army, because the program and the help that they give you is awesome.
Even though at times I feel like an outcast, today I feel like I'm with family, and that means a lot.
Jeremiah Pendleton is like many who have come to the Salvation Army after going through difficult times.
Being on the streets is tough. So being around, even though they're strangers, to me today, they're my brothers, they're my sisters.
I just had my 4th brain surgery December 2nd, and I'm just fighting to stay alive right now. God has blessed me with a 4-year-old, so I think He's blessing me with her is giving me the strength to keep fighting and to keep living. Hold on. I'm sorry, I just had brain surgery, and I got staples in my head, but I'm gonna need somebody.
Well, you look good too.
Thank you.
I want to remind you today that you are not alone. And we are here because somebody in this community cares about you.
A dress, oh, she's gonna love this. But I teach all my kids, even including her. Christmas is not about receiving gifts. Just be thankful that you was able to see Christmas.
I'm over 65, and there are things, that I can't do.
Did you get your blanket?
They are beautiful. When they come out, there are things that we all really need, and they bring it right to us.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Can give you a hug.
Janelle thought she was just doing her part when she adopted an angel from the Salvation Army's Angel Tree program last year. On that angel's card was Mr. Fred, a resident of the Salvation Army Senior Towers, who requested some humble items.
This is my 3rd year with them, and of course you got me last year. and it made sweet.
Yeah. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, I'll get your number and we're gonna meet up, okay?
We could be friends now.
I would love that very much. We're gonna be more than friends. You're gonna be my grandpa and I'm gonna be your granddaughter.